Hello everyone, in this video we will learn about Python. So, let's get started. Python is a high-level, interpreted programming language known for its simplicity and versatility. It was created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. Python is like the Swiss Army knife of programming languages. It can do almost anything. Python is the most useful language these days, and also used in every technology field. Python is a composition of languages like C, C++, Perl, ABC, Modula 3, Algol 68, Smalltalk and Unix shell. Guido van Rossum is known as the father of Python language, as he invented it in 1991. Scene 2. Why do we use Python? Python language is also used for app development, game development, AI learning, machine learning, and many more. Python is widely used in various fields due to its ease of use and extensive libraries. Let's see some of its applications. Example 1. Web development. 1. With frameworks like Django and Flask, Python is used to build stunning and dynamic websites. 2. A 2D graphic of a website being built step by step with code snippets labeled Django and Flask. Example 2. Data science. 1. Python is a favorite for data scientists to analyze and visualize data using libraries like Pandas and Matplotlib. 2. A bar chart or pie chart being generated dynamically, labeled with Pandas and Matplotlib. Example 3. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. AI and ML rely heavily on Python. Frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch make building intelligent systems easier. Nowadays, AI is replacing humans, as they are more accurate, perfect, and great time manager. Example 4. Game development. Python is also used for game development, with frameworks like Pygame making it fun and accessible. Python is a fun and interactive language if we want to create games. You also played that Dino Run game on the Google, remember that? We can make a simple 2D game like a player is jumping on the obstacles on the way. In short, Python is everywhere, from websites to games, and even in your favorite AI applications. Now let's talk about Python editors, as it plays the important role in Python programming. Choosing the right editor is crucial for writing Python code. Here are some of the best editors for Python programming. Number 1. PyCharm. PyCharm is an advanced integrated development environment, designed specifically for Python, offering smart code completion and debugging tools. You can write codes of line 1 to 1000. PyCharm has a super easy UI with many functions and tools. PyCharm has a 2D screen where you can write code and can run it on the same time. Number 2 editor is VS Code. Visual Studio Code is lightweight, highly customizable, and supports Python extensions. Editor number 3, Jupyter Notebook. For data science and machine learning, Jupyter Notebook is ideal, providing an interactive coding environment. You can also use Jupyter as it also have a user interactive interface and also easy to use. Whichever editor you choose, Python's simplicity makes coding a delightful experience, so it's your choice. Thank you for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to BlendX Tech. See you in the next one. By the way, have a good day.